So when I was in school, we used to have early morning classes, and I swear, like 70% of the kids didn't even poop before coming to school. Because it was already a huge task for us to get ready that early. And some kids would literally sleep in their school uniform so they could just get up and go. I seriously don't understand why schools have scheduled classes so early. Like, what magical powers activate in morning that doesn't exist at noon? They won't sleep and they won't let us sleep either. Don't you know how important it is for kids to get full night of sleep? Anyway, because of waking up so early, I'm literally telling you that many kids didn't feel urge to poop. Some of kids would fall asleep in the restroom and then they spend the whole day in class farting non-stop. You know how it is when someone hasn't gone to the toilet, their fart becomes so toxic that the whole class gets destroyed. And the kids who don't smell it, they have to pretend like they do. Otherwise the whole class would blame them because the person who farted never smelled his own fart. I've been telling you fart and farting rules because I have a story related to it. So back when I was in 8th grade, there was this one student in our class who was a legendary farter. Every single day he'd drop his bomb and the entire class would freak out. Even teachers were scared to come in. They were like, "Madam, no! You take today's lecture, madam. Someone's committed crime in there, madam." Huh? Even after playing guessing game, we could never figure out who it was. But one day, our teacher had this genius idea. Let's change everyone's seat. She believes in shuffling us around so we couldn't sit with our friends and also couldn't make new ones. We didn't get chance to sit according to our roll number. Neither we have fixed seats. We have suffered so much. So, she made me sit on the last bench next to the super talkative girl. Basically, she had all the gossips in school, who's dating who and everything. It was a normal day. All the teachers were came, taught and left. And we were just kept chatting. By then, we had become pretty good friends. It was our last lecture and there were only 15 minutes left before school ended. We had already packed our bags and just waiting for the bell. We were waiting and then suddenly we heard it. The sound came from the bench right in front of us. And we were so shocked like, what just happened? And instantly the smell spreads across the entire class. It took a few seconds for our brain to process what just happened. And then we just lost it. We were just kept laughing and laughing, smelling and laughing. It is the worst combo ever. Like you need to breathe to laugh, but breathing made it worse. But when she saw us laughing, she realized what she has done. And we know about her crime. There was a girl sitting in front of our bench. We thought the father was the boy all the time. But it turned out to be a girl. Bituwa, do you think girls are any less than boys? Girls can also become fatter. And then suddenly she started crying. Huh? She got freaked out that we would tell everyone in the class that she is the farter of our class. Seeing her cry, we actually felt bad. So we comforted her like, "Bro, don't cry, relax. We won't tell anyone that you have farted. Just don't cry." We somehow calmed her down and were like, "Yeah, we smelled it, but we won't tell anyone. Just maybe don't do that again tomorrow." But honestly, I can never forget that moment. Because the first wave of that smell hit my nose directly. I didn't tell anyone. But the girl next to me, she was the school's official news reporter. She told the entire class that who has farted and who's the farter of our class. "Hey, do you know for so long there's been this mysterious farter in the class? Dum Dum was the culprit." Her fart is so stinky. I heard it from my own ears and smelled it from my own nose. Of course, this is not her real name, but her fart was really stinky. I have one more story related to fart, and if you're still watching this video, then go and subscribe. So, I have a younger brother. Hi! And you already know how brothers are. They don't have any common sense. A body without brain. So one day, we were coming back from a birthday party to our apartment, and he was walking 2 steps ahead of me. Then suddenly, his evil brain got an evil idea how to annoy me. And just when I was right behind him, he farted. Bro, Bro, that smell was so toxic. It felt like he hadn't gone to the toilet in days. My nose literally died. And then he turned to give me that evil smirk look and laugh on my face. He noticed an auntie standing behind us. She lived in our building and she saw everything. My brother got so panicked, like, she's gonna tell everyone that I am the farter. He suddenly got an idea. He makes a disgusted face, looks at me and says, "Ew, Didi, that was you!" I was like, what? Everything happened so fast, I couldn't even defend myself. And that auntie just stared at me and walked away. To this day, she probably thinks it was me. That day, he could have done it quietly. But no, what a menace. He had to come near me and then do it. If you was still here, comment my brother is a father so I can get my revenge and live in peace. And yeah, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.